Hey gang, and welcome to Weaver Music. This guitar was brought into me by a customer who's having a handful of issues. First issue is that the neck has shrunk since it was manufactured. Because of that, these frets, which they filed very sharply on the edge, are now protruding out. So we are going to work on filing these down. And then lastly, his intonation is bad. So let's get started. Alright, looks like we are off just a smidge. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up, and always please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next video.